ATV. ATV is basically a car with legs. We have legs because normal cars can't go on all terrains because we take rocky surfaces for example. Rocky surfaces, there is so much of rocks. Normal cars can't go over easily, but in all terrain vehicles, the legs pulls the ATV forward and makes the ATV climb over the rocks. Now we can use some parts for this ATV. I'll explain the parts and the functions too. We use the 410 RPM brushed motors. The motors makes the ATV to move, and we use the 4 legs, and each leg measures 200 millimeter, and each leg is made up of composite fiber. The measure of the base plate size is 240 into 350 millimeter. We can control this ATV by connecting a mobile device and ATV by Bluetooth.
Using Bluetooth, right?
When we send commands to the ATV, this is called the receiver. The receiver receives the commands and sends them to the Arduino unit. This board at the down, this is called Arduino unit. This Arduino unit is like the brain for the ATV. The Arduino unit controls every parts of the ATV, and then the Arduino unit sends commands to the speed controller, this one. Speed controller controls the speed of the motors and in which directions the motor should go. And motor should go, and the power source we use for this ATV is called LiPo. LiPo stands for lithium polymer. So we have some applications for this ATV. We can use this ATV in defense field also, like military tanks and war missions. As they can go on all terrains, we can use them for military purposes. And we can use them on medical field also. Like tribal people getting medicines, but they can't come and buy medicines. We can also go inside the forest, but we can fix a camera on this, and we can operate the ATV, and we can send them to the tribal people and deliver some medicines. And we can in desert regions like Saudi Arabia, Qatar. There are special bikes to go on the desert. We can also make this bigger, and we can use them for deserts, and we can use them in water also. But we need to modify this, the legs, the board, everything, and we can use them as water bikes also. And we can make them smaller, and we can sell them as toys also. Now I'll show you a demo how it's done. Even if it's inward, we can
you invert and show now? Using hand, you put it down, upside down. How it does.